front of me is FreeYond M6, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Then tap on this plus at the bottom left corner, and firstly, to add an audio file, select Files. Then look for your file by tapping on Audio at the top, selecting one of those apps or clicking on those three lines at the top left corner and hitting one of those sources. Either way, after finding your file, just hold it and tap Select at the top right corner to attach it. If you want to add a video on, select Gallery section instead of Files, tap on your video and wait. If it's not recent, select Folders. Look for it the same way as you would an audio file. Hold it and hit Select at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!